I have an iPhone that has a problem with the volume up button. It's been pressed in there. It doesn't work, and I need to change a battery on this phone. What I'm planning to do is remove the volume buttons and scrape off this edges so that it's softer and goes in properly, comes out properly as well. So what I will be doing is I'll be removing the screen first. Yeah, the iPhone, they have different screws, so we got to be careful where we put them back. Normally, when I first started, I used to draw the circles where the screws are. Now I just have a mental image of where the screws are gonna be. Because if you put the wrong screw in the wrong hole, it's gonna damage the motherboard, and then it's another headache to fix. To remove the battery, what I do is I just start from the end and very slowly pull this out. Okay, one is out. And then with the glue on it, I'll just do this. To do this, we have to be very patient because sometimes the tape just breaks off in the middle. Okay, it's out. This is not good. Now, let me see what's wrong with the volume button, up button. I'll have to remove this as well. Now let's see what's wrong with the button. Remove the vibration button first, and comes the volume button. Just moving this, see if it works or not. Let me just smoothen this and see if it works or not. There's a little dent in there that's stopping it from pressing, so this should be good enough. And this has some dent as well on this side. Yeah. Maybe I'll just remove this. whole thing. What I could do is I could apply some heat and remove it. Okay, that looks good. Now, push this back in. Okay, and then gotta mill. Let's put this in first. No, let's put this first. Okay. Okay, all done. It's working. Now it's working pretty well. This putting back the LCDs, you just need to fill it. Just fill where the flakes are connected and push it in. So yeah, volume up is working, down is working, vibration is working. Let's see if it charges. And it's charging. Turn it off and put everything together. I used to have the different tape for this, but I'm out of stock, so I'll be using this double-sided tape to glue the battery to the frame. Yeah, it's the same thing as to do the job. This is a double-sided tip, which is quite good. Buttons are working fine. It was a success. Oh good. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Keep tuned. I'll keep updating more videos. Thank you.